In some ways, you are the Dhoni of stand-up. You know, should have retired years ago.
I'm kidding. It was in my head. I had to say it.
मैं तो टाइम पूछने आया था इन्होंने बिठा लिया मेरे को.
I'm kidding.
He was the host. My problem was I got on stage after Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
So you
had that
so you
chat.
had to get 45 runs in 2 balls.
I have nothing to do with that previous statement. That is all Tanmay. I just came to ask the time और इन्होंने बिठा लिया मेरे को.
Going on stage, that can you do the whole set in Hindi? I said, you knew I grew up in Chennai, right? Just saying.
वहीं पर ही रात को शो करना है. And in the morning I have to give a motivation session to people who've been told that.
But to be fair, Amit is the George Clooney of stand-up, which is your wife is better than you.
Like I had a really shitty show because not because he was the MC. You were.
Could have
you
been
know,
also.
The
The whole show was shitty because I was the MC.
I wasn't thinking that, but now I am.
He was the host. My problem was I got on stage after Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
So you
had that
so you
chat.
had to get 45 runs in 2 balls.
I have nothing to do with that previous statement. That is all Tanmay. I just came to ask the time और इन्होंने बिठा लिया मेरे को.
But you know, imagine following Dhoni on stage. There's no way you can do well.
No.
Because I think there was a half an hour chat that happened
Yeah.
with with Dhoni.
Which one was this in the stadium in Goa?
Not the
'Cause that-
stadium, but it was a hotel. Hotel के अंदर
okay,
था.
okay.
And I remember लोग सामने बैठे थे, and then Dhoni, stepped down and he sat, and I got on stage, and half the people left because then Dhoni started walking out. That's when I'm performing. So guys, this is Amit Tandon, produced by mother, directed by wife. Okay, half the people are gone.
Yeah, that's a tough act to follow.
But did he introduce you on stage? Introduced you.
introduced
Acha.
me.
So after the Dhoni interview, you had to introduce Mr. Tandon.
हाँ तो हाँ इसके लिए भी step down है. मतलब सिर्फ
From the sublime to the ridiculous.
It's like I don't remember which one this was. I don't remember the venue where this was. But it is sometimes just the programming of these shows I find really, like for stand-up comedy, I find it really strange because sometimes the audience is not conducive for that. The setup is not conducive. People are लोग दारू पी के अभी टेबल पे बैठे हैं, कोई पीछे बैठा है, कोई निकल गया है, कोई आ रहा है. It's quite a.
But Amit sir, in some ways, you are the Dhoni of stand-up. You know, should have retired years ago.
I'm kidding. It was in my head. I had to say it.
मैं तो टाइम पूछने आया था इन्होंने बिठा लिया मेरे को.
I'm kidding.
हाँ but मेरे
He's
भी
on the
बच्चे
back
हैं,
foot
आप-
already. He's like, damn it. Helicopter shot on the front foot, Amit.
But मेरे से पहले अभी अतुल खत्री है.
Okay, yeah. There are people like.
He's 56. I am 49. But yeah, live shows always the programming of. Obviously, I was telling Anu before you guys came in that once I was programmed in a show where there's a motivational session, which was a very sad story. So, and after that, I'm supposed to get on stage, and it was a 1 hour session which went on for 1 hour 45 minutes. And in that motivation session, people were crying because it was such a sad story that was told. And then I'm announced on stage. So अब आपको हंसाने और आपके पेट में दर्द करने के लिए आ रहे हैं अमित टंडन.
Yeah. I'll do you one verse. Me and Rohan are doing a show for a corporate thing that was happening on the outskirts of Ahmedabad. So they'd figured some alcohol scene out. Right before we go up was the in memoriam section of employees we have lost last year.
Oh wow.
Then we have gone on the stage. So if you thought motivation was bad, this was demotivation for life. Yeah. Show went fine. People didn't really care about anybody. Clearly, the office is not very close. Because right after feeling sad, they were lolling a lot. So both me and Ron were like, really, you guys are laughing? This is working for you guys? That's we didn't really love them, huh? We don't
Dead
really
inside,
care.
dead
Yeah,
inside.
Yeah.
There must have been, all of them must have been from HR.
Dude,
Everybody.
yeah, clearly. It went really well. We were like, fuck,
अच्छा है कि यार मेरी लीव कैंसिल करी थी इसने.
this is a much better way to be introduced. Remember these we don't care about? We're going to laugh now.
I did a show with the brief was, they said, we'll give you the show, and we'll give you. At that time, I think I used to charge 50, 60 grand for the show, and they said we'll pay you 25 grand extra. Morning में 15 minute का motivation session भी ले लोगे? मैंने कहा ले लेंगे. And then they give me the brief कि these are the people we are taking out for the last time. It's almost like a farewell. We are letting them go.
So you were basically being
Yeah.
George Clooney up in the air.
Yeah.
Right? You're the guy who had to let them go.
हाँ, so they were letting them go, and एक तो उनको अमृतसर लेके जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, अमृतसर लेके गए, वहां पे तुम एक तो उनको वैसे पैसे दे दो यार थोड़े से एक्स्ट्रा.
So that's the golden handshake, Amritsar.
हाँ.
अच्छा. हाँ.
तो वहीं पर ही रात को शो करना है, and in the morning I have to give a motivation session to people who've been told that.
But to be fair, Amit is the George Clooney of stand-up, which is your wife is better than you.
Oh shit! This is so you basically have to start with them saying, "So why did the chicken cross the road? You're fired." Why? Go with it.
Because the chicken did not reach its KPIs.
I've been told 5 minutes before going on stage that can you do the whole set in Hindi? I said, you knew I grew up in Chennai, right? I'm just saying.
Yeah, they thought it would be better comedy.
Yeah.
See?
So because there are a lot more Marwadi aunties in the audience
Oh,
than we
man.
anticipated. So can you imagine like on the fly, like you're just like translating your jokes and you're just remembering your Hindi teacher Sudha Vyas from school. And you're like, I should have paid more attention. And that was a college show in Hyderabad where
So did you do it in Hindi then?
I did half and then I said, hang it. Like, I can't. I just rather, you know, there was too much work. Like, I could just feel like myself being drained. And then once was a college show where they said that the buses were going to leave 1 hour earlier. So if you wanted to go back to college, you had to get on the bus. So then they were just, as soon as I was announced, there were just people leaving to get on the bus. And then, you know, there are always like 10 really well-behaved people who are like, Chi, how can I just leave?
feels so mean.
Bichari, yeah, she's come on stage. So literally I performed for 15 minutes for 10 people. By the time there were 2 left. And then the organizer said, I think you can wrap it up.
Yeah, I think we're done.
We'll call you another time for something better.
Their choice was either to either to go back to college or become a college dropout at a stand-up show.
बट लाइव
man.
शोज का जो कॉर्पोरेट है खास करके उसमें अभी भी वही है कि इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक कि गुफा में घुस रहे हो पता नहीं वहां क्या निकलेगा दूसरी साइड.
Yeah.
यार वो प्लानिंग कभी-कभी ऐसे that's what I'm saying, the programming of corporate shows. It's and I feel like this is a problem that is generally in India. You hire professionals, but then you don't let them do the job.
Yeah.
Right? If you've hired an event professional, tell them who your audience is, then let them handle the programming.
Yeah.
Right? You नहीं मुझे क्योंकि बॉस पहले आ रहा है तो बॉस को ये सुनना है उसको ये करना है. So many other things at play. अरे यार मैंने तो इतने कॉर्पोरेट शो करे हैं जहां से शुरू किया था और जब अब तो मैं नहीं करता पर जब मैं करता था dude, everything was a fire. All you had to do when you're hosting a show is you're just putting out a fire.
Yeah.
कोई इसको चेंज कर दिया, लैंग्वेज चेंज कर दी, कोई बॉस चेंज हो गया, कोई अवार्ड चेंज हो गया. एक दो बारी तो अवार्ड गलत अनाउंस करके there are event companies who've thrown me under the bus. Who said that हमने तो ठीक चिट दिया था, उसने गलत पढ़ दिया. मैंने कहा मैं कहाँ से इमेजिन करूंगा भाई तुम्हारे एम्प्लॉय का नाम. तुमने जो लिख के दिया वो मैंने पढ़ा. ये कोई मूनलाइट वाला ऑस्कर थोड़ी ना जो मैंने अपने मन से बना के कुछ बोल दिया.
Gaurav the night before, कल देखना बेस्ट सीनियर एनालिटिक्स मैनेजर की क्या.
कल कुणाल सचदेव की जगह मोहित शर्मा को दूंगा मैं. कौन है ये?
You know, Cyrus Saukar and I had to do an awards show. And we had a half an hour discussion it was for a bank. Because they had to call the CEO on stage.
Which
So
bank?
the two, anyway. So I don't bank with them. I don't care. the two.
Has to be HDFC.
No.
They,
The two
he does
second
events
in,
for them.
This is some time back.
I see,
They
I
were
see.
second in command. They were like, you know, how should we introduce the CEO on stage? With 3 adjectives or 7? the incredibly funny, the vivacious, the incredible, the exuberant. And I was like, are we like you got your MBAs for this, you know, for this moment. Yeah.
You're making XLRI so proud right now.
मेरे को
7
एक बार
adjectives.
उसने बोला था some Bengali event manager, so he anyway has to put in his creative
Yeah.
into this. It's a big company event in a stadium, so there's 7,000 8,000 people, and And this is again 2017, 2016, 2015, where I've still not started releasing videos, so people don't know who I am. And so I am also under more pressure to do well. And he had a joke in his mind. Okay, the joke was कि जो CEO है वहाँ का, उसका नाम Narendran. You know, just imagine it's Narendran. It's a different name, but it ends with drone in the end. Okay, so you should do this joke that, you know, like a drone that has eyes on everybody. The CEO has eyes on everybody in the organization. He can see everybody. He knows everybody.
Creepy.
That's a हाँ. That's a joke.
But he was thinking poetry. He's Bengali.
Narendran.
भाई तू एक काम कर, तू धोने का ही नाम ले ले। ये नाम तो मत ले तू।
फेक नाम के लिए इतना डेंजरस नाम क्यों चुना आपने? रमेश is fine.
Then I go on stage, ठीक है? And I know this is a shitty joke, okay? So I'm not doing it. 15 मिनट हो गए, like I realized कि stage से भी नहीं हो रहा है, मेरे को नीचे, I walked off the stage and I'm talking to people and it's going well, you know, बड़े से screen पे आ रहा है. 15-20 minutes I have not done that joke and I'm supposed to do 30 minutes. 15-17 minutes and I'm talking to the crowd and there's a drone that comes up and just stays on top of my head and is not leaving. He sent the drone to remind me of the joke. And I'm still not doing the joke. And the drone doesn't go away. और वो घर्र कर. Finally, I had to give up and I did this joke. And it fell flat and the drone left.
My takeout is there was a drone in 2013.
Wow.
This guy had props for his joke, right?
Dude, he turned you into a prop comic, bro.
It's called backup. His insurance policy.
मतलब एक तो ये है ना कि अब मैं क्या करूं? अब तो मेरे सिर पे literally यहाँ है. I had to do the joke. Like his commitment to that joke was so high.
भाई ये जो एक CEO and MD की worship जो होती है ना,
हाँ.
this is the main reason I stopped doing corporate shows. It's the main reason. I was like, this just seems so. मैं पढ़ लिख के बड़ा इसलिए नहीं हुआ था.
Yeah.
ठीक है? You guys are just being everyone can see it. You're brown nosing. Why the hell are you doing this? पर नहीं बाज आते लोग.
No,
वो करते
then
रहते.
I got a LinkedIn account, so then I didn't need to go watch it live.
But also the woman is very different because sometimes, you know, they just expect some jokes mujra. Right. So then it's not like somehow in their head it's not
Jokes mujra.
stimulating. And so once
We
I
say
was,
joke and then done.
Yeah, like they're like, oh my God, she's just in a dress and she's just cracking jokes. मतलब
Yeah,
और
like-
कुछ नहीं है क्या? So then once I was taken by the guy, so you must speak to my boss. I said, but why must I? Right? No, because he's my boss. But मतलब my bonus doesn't depend na, on your boss.
Not my boss.
You go up and speak to him.
Yeah.
But
But
just,
it's
yeah.
usually considered to be good hygiene or other good practice to make fun of the boss first.
हाँ.
Because if boss laughs, it's signal to everybody that it's okay to laugh.
हाँ.
That's why you wanna go in and make fun of the boss first, get it out of the way. And then everyone's like, "Ah, boss has raha, to
It's a dangerous strategy though. Because the boss is
Yes.
under pressure to laugh because you have to in
Yes.
front of your team.
Yes.
But in case the boss does not get it and doesn't laugh, then you have turned the whole crowd against you for very long.
Did you have any corporate strategies, which is like this was one of mine, which is to make fun of boss first and like address the elephant in the room. But what was your like corporate show bits?
I have one bit about corporate which I do in the beginning where I make fun of every department. So once you've done that, there everybody laughs. You know, then you get into your set, then it works. You know, the acceptance rate thoda sa better hota hai.
Got it.
Second thing I would do is I would like whatever industry I'm doing it for, I'll do a few jokes about that industry. Okay? 2-4 jokes. If I'm going to banks, so then I always do a few jokes कि मुझे पता नहीं मैं अपने टारगेट पूरे करने के लिए कमा रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारे टारगेट बैंक में जाता हूँ तो एक लॉकर यूज करो तो 2 म्यूचुअल फंड भेज देते हैं मेरे को पता नहीं क्या करें सो यू डू अ फ्यू ऑफ दोस देन दे आर लाइक हाँ he understands our business then
I had one, I would always, in the first 3-4 minutes, I'd make fun of HR, which somehow seems to unite
Yes.
the entire
Yeah.
workforce. I
Yeah.
don't know why, but it unites the entire workforce. One of the things I did once was I was doing an HSBC show for 10,000 people. There were like 10,000 people. Like बड़ा सा arena कुछ type था. उसमें मैंने जाके एक मेरा पुराना क्रेडिट कार्ड था किसी और बैंक का, मैंने अपनी जेब से निकाला और उसको स्टेज पे लाइव काट दिया मैंने.
Oh wow.
पागल हो गए सब. दिमाग फट गया सब. मैंने कहा, I'm such a believer in your product कि I only use your cards. In fact, एक मिनट, I think किसी और बैंक का एक कार्ड है मेरे पास. निकाला मैंने कहा, ये I like live and the cameras and the big screens and all. They went nuts. मैं 4-5 अपने कपड़े उतार दिए. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा था वहाँ पे.
I have never had more respect for you. It's too good, this story.
Brilliant.
Too
This
good.
is brilliant. मतलब
Should be a scene from a movie, actually.
Yeah. This man's dedication to this corporate show.
I mean, what they didn't know was it was an expired card which I had to cut and throw anyway. So, right?
My Taj Epicure.
It was, in the olden days, they said, your credit card is expired. Please cut it into 4 pieces with a pair of scissors and dispose of it. So, yeah, I did that.